My feelings usually crap. Like this. You're lucky. Come on, Brother Mom's out. Oh. Is it really bad?
Damn it.
Clear count. One, yeah. So.
Damn it.
Tell Jim to be custodian. Who is the.
Damn it. What happens here? Can't breathe now. Fucking can't breathe.
You?
What the fuck is up with this?
You?
If I got the flu shot, it's just been happening.
How about it? Well,
Still work even though I'm sick.
baby breathing.
Yeah.
No more Virginia.
That's the flu shot, man.
No. Next time, do not get the flu shot. I'll do it.
I have to. The state pays for it. Had the flu one time, almost killed me. Can't move.
Just wait.
Wants to kill me, he can.
No, for what?
No, the flu shot.
I don't think so. No.
Don't care.
I do.
You don't care about life?
A. Care.
Nobody to anybody? Ugh.
What do you do?